So hi everyone. Just in, Google has dropped a bomb of a coding model that is Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview 0506, and it has debut as hash ranked 1 on Web Arena. That means that it is the best LLM for now for developing web applications. Apart from that, they have provided so many things into it and they are calling it Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview IO edition. So Google IO is round the corner, and before that, they have just dropped a crazy model which is looking the best for coding for now. Apart from that, as you can see, a review has been given by the president of Replit. We found Gemini 2.5 Pro to be the best frontier model when it comes to capability over latency ratio. Best in class front end web development. So for now, for web dev, it is the best model that the team is mentioning it. If you look into Web Dev Arena leaderboard, it has beaten Claude 3.7 Sonnet by a huge margin, as you can see here. The second best is 1357, while the first one is 1420, almost. So this is a huge margin, and I think Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview looks to be a crazy model for coding. Not just that, they've added few more things into it. Video to code, I think this is very interesting thing that they've added, scoring a 84.8% in the video mme benchmark. As you can see that, for example, the video to learning app in Google AI Studio demonstrates how Gemini 2.5 Pro creates an interactive learning based on a single YouTube video. So you just feed in a YouTube video and it is creating an application out of it. Crazy times. Easier feature development, as they have mentioned, is a strong at front end web dev. I think that life of software development is cutting short now, and quick concepts to working applications. What they have mentioned is that this is the best model for app prototyping. The best part is the model is again free to use on Google AI Studio, so we will be testing it out just right now. So the model is free to use on Google AI Studio. As you can see, Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview 0506 is available here for you to free use. And here you can try out something. Let's ask it to create a basic HTML page. Create a basic HTML page for explaining transformers in machine learning. Let's see what it generates. This is a thinking model. I think this is also the best part. I didn't mention that. It is a reasoning model. Do remember this. And it is taking some time. Let's see what it is thinking for now. Looks good. I think it's quite lengthy. And I can see some relevant text here. Now it has started creating the HTML page for us. It is writing everything, and the time taken is just less than 1 minute for now. So I think we might be having a complete good HTML page within a minute itself. So this is the code that we have got. There is no option to preview, I can see, or we need to copy paste it somewhere. So let me copy paste this particular code snippet and then let's try out what it generated using HTML. Though the model is free to use, do remember this. So as you can see, this is the page that Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, the new model, has generated. Looks good, looks decent. I think first trial it's pretty decent. I think this is just for demonstration. You should try out other things as well. The model is looking crazy on Web Dev Arena, and I think I was reading the Reddit post, so people are just not stopping from praising it. So do try out the model. You have an option for creating video to application as well option here, as you can see, to create an app. You can just click here, and you from directly from YouTube video also you can create a video. So we will be covering that too in a short while. Thank you so much.